Gentoo is a very efficient distro, but are you too lazy to compile? You can use a distro like Calculate Linux, so we download the ISO. We boot the image and wait for it to load. Calculate Linux is a Russian Gentoo-based distro, and it follows a rolling release model. In the installer, we select Erase Disk and then choose the disk we want. Next, we enter the user and assign the groups we want to add. We can also use the guest user by renaming it. Then we enter the password and its confirmation. Then we select the video driver. Now we wait for the installation to finish. We choose LXQt because it is lightweight, but you can select any desktop you prefer. The system boots for the first time and then enters the desktop. It shows a landscape wallpaper and the slogan, "Easy Linux from the source." We review the desktop, the panel, and the menu, which comes with the default applications. We open the terminal and increase the font size. Then we change the background to black and try to install packages, but we get a sudo error. We need to fix it using root and visudo. Inside the editor, we uncomment the wheel line. Then we save the file and exit using a colon followed by the letters W and Q. Now it works. We install the Fastfetch package to get system information. Then we install Sysbench to run performance benchmarks and Firefox browser. Then we run the Fastfetch command. It has an average kernel, noticeable initial memory usage, but it is poorly packaged compared to Gentoo. We run commands to contrast the information. It does support the Y2038 bug fix, but the boot time is average compared to other distros. Now we run Sysbench to evaluate the CPU with 1 thread, and then 5 threads. The results are average among distros and similar to Gentoo. Next, we test threads and mutexes to analyze concurrency and locking, respectively. Just like Gentoo, concurrency is handled very well. When evaluating memory read and write performance, we obtain very strong results compared to other distributions on the same machine. Regarding input and output, specifically disk read and write performance, the results are very low, similar to Gentoo values. Then we run the top command to check the memory consumed by Firefox with 4 tabs open. The resulting average value is normal like others. We have finished the installation, review, and performance evaluation of Calculate Linux LXQt. Based on the evaluation, Calculate Linux has performance similar to Gentoo. Some aspects stand out, while others are average or even low. This means that, for someone who does not want to spend hours compiling in Gentoo, this derived distribution can be a very good option. That's all for this video. If you liked it, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.